Hey folks, what's up? Mike Benton here from the Mike Benton team. Thank you so much for plugging in today. This topic, I did a video back in March, I think it was, and I can tell you I'm doing this video is because we're dealing with so many agents right now that don't understand and are not conveying to their clients what a drop dead date is. Now, drop dead, self-explanatory, and they're just haphazardly, lackadaisically, just moving along like, oh yeah, we have 7 days to do home inspection. We'll get it on day 8, day 9. Listen to me clearly. Every drop dead date in a contract is important. Can't blow it off. You can't, if we have settlement set up for December 15th and you're the seller, 24 hours before settlement, the house should be empty, cleaned, and presentable in a way that you would be proud of. Don't leave paint cans. Don't leave unused floors. Don't you leave unused timber, whatever. The house must be 100% empty and ready for the buyer to do the walkthrough. Also, any time frames we have in this contract, if you have 3 days to do something, you have 3 days, not 4. Not, hey, I'm not going to make it. You have 3 days unless otherwise negotiated. We live and die by those drop dead dates. That is a part of the contract. If you miss a drop dead date, that other party has the opportunity to make this deal voidable. In other words, they will submit a withdrawal. They will submit documentation to say, we're done. You had this many days to do it. You didn't do it. You failed to perform. And if you're the seller might go, and I'm going to keep the EMD. Folks, if you're working with an agent that is lackadaisically talking about dates or not warning you or talking to you or staying on top of it, you are putting yourself in a very, very, very bad situation. If we have 10 days for something, 5 days we're talking. 6 days, we're going a little deeper. 7th day, we're starting to ring the bell. 8 days, we're like, what's going on? Why? Because we don't want you to miss an important hurdle in you either selling or buying. So, I'm going to close with this. Above here, we wrote out some stuff for you, but please give me a call. Understand loan application, settlement dates, inspection dates, whatever dates you have in your contract, there are drop dead dates for a reason. Please understand that. You can't haphazardly just not do it. You can, but you're going to lose out. You could lose money. You could lose a transaction. Whatever it may be, stick to those dates and you better make sure your agent stays on top of it. So I'm dealing with one right now, and that's what made me bring this up. Let us know. Please reach out if you have any questions at all about your contract. We are not attorneys. We are real estate agents. We work with attorneys, but if it's in your contract, it is a binding contract. Those dates matter. So look forward to working with you, looking forward to allowing you to experience the benefits. I really appreciate your time plugging in. God bless you and have a good one.